Introducing Shark's most powerful cordless suction. Shark PowerDetect DuoClean Detect nozzle is designed to capture more dust, dirt, and debris. With dirt-detecting intelligence, EdgeDetect senses edges and corners and increases suction power. FloorDetect auto-detects floor type and adjusts brush roll speed, while DirtDetect detects hidden dirt for enhanced debris pickup, with forward and reverse debris pickup for faster cleaning.
Both forward, I like it, but wait a minute. With the most fully featured, most powerful ever, it's also forward and it's reverse. Because other vacs, oh, they don't do that, do they? Oh, they don't go, they just go forward, which is great, which I know and love. No snow plowing whatsoever. But wait a minute, can this go reverse as well? Let's find out. I've been here 30 years, everybody. 30 years. Never seen a vac with that much suction power backwards. Normally, you're pushing, and then you got some like you snowplow. So you're working twice. So now it's doing twice the work. Oh, this is huge. And by the way, let me just trip over this cord. Oh, there ain't no cord. No, it's cordless. It's a Shark. And guess what? We've got the single lowest price. Lowest price we've offered. Lowest price in the marketplace. And 3,000 of you have now picked it up since Midnight Cinch it launched. So brand new, only here at Q. And Elizabeth Watts, we've got some fun colors. Is that called grape? Yeah. That is called grape. It's available right now. It's great. You can pick it up. That's grape. This is the navy blue. This copper, this is called warm metal. Fancy schmancy, warm metal. This is our Adriatic teal. You're getting fancy with the colors. And finally, this one, this is bold magenta. Once again, bold magenta, Adriatic teal, warm metal, pretty navy blue, and there is the grape. Do I get accessories with this? You do. You get accessories to go high, low, handheld, underneath appliances, crevice tools, and so much more. Great to have you here.
Great to see you, Rick.
Oh my gosh, what a great item. I saw this. I was in a meeting for this the other day, and Bernadette and our buyers and everybody was here like, you got to realize this is now your top of the line.
Absolutely.
From Shark.
Let me tell you something. The most power of any Shark cordless vacuum.
Great.
The most suction of any Shark
We're gonna
cordless vacuum.
you speak into mine.
Okay. Oh,
What
I'm
about
having
if
issues
let me
right now.
vacuum while you turn your mic on.
Let me turn it on. I turn it on.
Here we go.
How we doing? How we doing? You got me yet? You got me yet, friends?
Good. By the way, for 5 payments of $60, it'd be $85725.
Okay. Let's
And
do this.
This is now forward, but
All right.
now what is new about this vac? Prove it to
ready?
us.
When you turn it on, you push one button. It's thinking for you. The first thing it does is it detects the kind of floor.
I can hear it ramp
Do you
up.
hear it ramp up? When it detects dirt, Rick, it will give you up to 75% more power. And when you're done, you see the little lights behind it? I'm going to turn it so you can see how they're lavender. When it's clean, they will go white.
No.
It lets you know, there it
No.
goes. My floor is clean. Now here's what I'm seeing on the handle.
It's the color of clean.
It's the color of clean. So here's on the handle. When you start off, it's going to start white. There you go. This is a clean floor. Now, Rick, I'm going to come over to right where you are. Oops, I don't want to put my hand in front of it. How we doing? How we doing? I'm backwards and upside down. Here we go. All right. When it hits the dirt, see how it's changing the color? It's actually notifying you, okay, there's dirt on the floor. Keep cleaning.
Wait a minute.
And then when I get finished,
It'll
both
give you-
forward and reverse, it does calibrate back to the white
So clear,
lights.
because clear
Clear is clean.
is the color of clean.
Clear is the color of clean. Come here, let me
Now
show you.
this is the wow that wowed me when I saw this earlier.
All right, I want to go over here. I'm going to...
No, I'm going to do this one.
Okay, Rick,
I'm going to
go ahead.
back up.
Go ahead.
So this, explain to America.
Can you go backwards over dirt? Does your vacuum work this way? I'm guaranteeing you that it doesn't. Because, I know, and look at the lights changing. They're letting you know there's dirt or it's clean. It's self-adjusting, and don't be intimidated by this technology, Rick. You're not doing anything. You push one button to turn it on, no
Guys,
trigger to worry about.
You ever seen that before?
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
I've seen that. I've done that.
Now-
but not backwards and forwards.
Why don't we, while we're here, Rick, let's show that flex. Push one button. Now, look at how tall Rick is.
Here we
He
go,
doesn't
America.
have to get on his hands and knees to get
Oh,
under.
this is just, you just saved my
Is that
back.
amazing?
Thank you, Shark.
You're so welcome.
Thank
I
you,
needed
Shark.
to.
There's a reason that you're number one.
Yep.
There's a reason that you're number one.
Yep.
Oh, by the way, EdgeDetect. This is amazing.
EdgeDetect,
Oh,
LightDetect.
The ultimate detection.
Yep.
The ultimate under appliances.
Self-cleaning brush roll.
Will the hair get wrapped around?
It will.
I'll let
you want me
you
to
do
go?
the
You want me
honors
to
on
keep
this
going?
one.
Yeah, no, so this has actually a newly redesigned DuoClean brush roll. We're going to delve into it more.
Jeez.
But what you need to know is that it won't wrap the hair around the brush roll. Again, forward and reverse. Let's go back over this parsley.
Guys, it's all about that forward and reverse.
And we've got a little video we'll show you in a second about this patented new head that lets you clean in reverse. But there's your edge cleaning technology.
No, I just heard the edge. So the edge, it detects the edge.
Exactly. It's ramping up.
EdgeDetect. What does it do once it detects it?
See how the light's lit up here? It's giving you 3 times the suction on the edges,
kidding.
on the corners.
No kidding.
No, and then watch this. When I go back to hard floor, listen, it calibrates down. That's saving your battery. Now, another thing, this is the DuoClean, and we'll just give a quick review on that. What does that mean? There's 2 brush rolls. So you've got the soft brush roll in front. We took away the wall. And, you know, that does really amazing on, like, large particles. It doesn't snowplow, right?
Great back,
But
man.
for
Great
dust,
back.
look
Call
at
us
this
if you're a big fan of Shark. 1-800-395-1601. If you're upgrading from a stick vac, right?
Right.
In the past. Now, if you're upgrading from a corded vac, call us.
You hear
if you're
that?
upgrading from a vac where the hair wrapped around the brush roll, we're solving every problem you can imagine in vacuuming.
Yeah, there's that edge cleaning and the carpet. So now this is your max speed.
Man.
And then when I come back to hard floors, it automatically calibrates down. You've got that swivel, you've got the flex. And what I really do love about this is when you put it in the flex mode, turn it off, and store it, it stands up on its own, Rick. So many innovations.
Come on, I'm gonna show you these colors, and then we'll go to a little animation of what's going on. Brand new, only here at QVC. We have the lowest price. There's a catch. Price goes away at the end of the day. So it's on our easy payment plan. 5 times, $60 brings it home. Upgrade City. You want a cordless vac? Done. No hair wrapped around the brush roll? Done. Cleans forward and reverse. EdgeDetect. It detects the dirt in the grape, in that navy blue. And the warm metal, not the heavy metal, the warm and soft and gentle metal. This is the teal, Adriatic teal. You can pick it up right now, and the most limited is going to be this bold magenta. There's that retail value. So this in the marketplace is $400, $403 to be exact. We give you extra attachments. You can do it one time, 5 easy payments, or 9-month financing on that Q card if you want to take advantage of that. How new is this to the market, and is this
Brand
top of
new.
the line? Top
of the line. Have a look at this video. Like, this is what's happening with our patented squeegee. So when you go forward, most vacuums have a little squeegee behind the brush roll to keep it from spitting. Watch those little fins. The squeegee actually opens up. So, and you're going in reverse. This is so cool. Look how it's pulling it in from behind. Nobody else is doing this, Rick, because we at Shark, we know that if you have to go forward and back, that's twice the work.
It's twice the work.
It's twice the
Cutting
work.
your work in half.
Cutting your work in half.
So raise your hand if you want to work more. Work twice as much. No, nobody raise their hand.
Nobody raise their hand.
Raise your hands if you want to make it easier. And then one vac can now also be handheld, right?
Yeah, this is your special tool. This is your bonus tool. We're giving you that flexible crevice. So think about getting the cobwebs way up high. We talked to Dennis earlier, who owns a bridal shop. He wanted this because it's cordless, right? And they use it in the shop. But I want to show you something about the power, Rick. You're going to be very excited about this. Rick and I have been bringing you vacuums together since 2007 from Shark. We have done this many times with a corded vacuum. So you see how full my bin is. This is overfilled, okay? You probably want to empty it at home before it gets this full. But what this demonstration shows you is that we don't lose suction even when the bin is full. But wait, don't I normally do this demonstration with a corded vacuum? This is the first time as our most powerful vacuum. By the way, I can select right here on the side, whether I want to go to, if I want to change the modes by hand, see the little purple thing at my thumb? Now I'm in max mode. I'm in boost mode. So if I have a really tough job, a pet mess, spill your balls, go ahead and put it in boost mode. Most of the time you're just going to leave it in the automatic mode. But look at this. This is a demonstration I usually do with a corded vacuum, and corded vacuums have more power.
Yeah.
But now with our most powerful cordless
Cutting
of
the
all
cord,
time,
not the power.
You
Cut
got
the
it.
cord, not the power. Hey, guess what? If you're a fan, 1-800-395-1601. I love this story. I love the forward back. I love the EdgeDetect story.
So good.
I love the storage story, and I love the fact that you can get underneath places now without buying another appliance. It's just part of the unit.
It's part of the unit. It folds over very easily. And Rick, the other thing is, you know, we want a vacuum that we can use for everyday messes, like all the time, in and around our home. This has the built-in hand vac. You see a mess, you grab it, you pick it up. And by the way, our battery is removable, so you can either charge it on the unit or take it off and put it where you have your cell phones.
Yeah.
It's so high tech, but don't be intimidated because you're literally pushing One button.
Wait.
That's all you have to do.
By the way, that battery, how long is that battery life?
Oh, yeah, let's talk about
Yeah,
that.
the runtime is
70 minutes runtime when
Not
you're
40,
using it like this.
Not
Yeah,
60,
yeah.
70 minutes.
70.
Average vacuuming time in America is 18 minutes. So you can vacuum the neighbor's place where you're going to store it
Yeah.
in the coat closet
Store it in
now.
the cupboard.
So
Yeah.
it's solving a lot of problems
Yeah.
here in what is going to be a great opportunity. Okay, 200 people shopping. Come on in and get yours in that gray. No advance order on it. In that navy. Here's the warm metal. This is the teal, Adriatic teal, and this is the bold and fun magenta. If you want to get it for $60 on a credit card, $432 is the retail value. What do we have here?
That's that extension crevice, flexible end, great for getting between the appliances,
What do
under
we
the
have here?
furniture, in the car. That's the bristles that you can add to your upholstery tool there. So both of those kind of multi-tools. Here's your little bag. Wait, I got to show you, Rick. If
Little
you
bag,
wanna
put all your stuff
little
in.
bag, little shark bag. There you go. All your tools. You know where they are.
Good. Okay,
Cute.
more to get to. Come on
All
over
right.
here. Let's do it. Forward and reverse. Never before. What do most vacs? Why don't they pick up in reverse?
All right. You know what? In order to answer that question, let's have a look at our brush roll again.
Okay.
All right, Rick. So this is the difference with the Shark. So here's our patented squeegee. Most of the time, vacuums have a solid brush back here. Why? When you're picking up things, you don't want to just shoot out the back, right? But this one actually is perforated. This is a patented design that allows it to flatten against the floor and then let dirt in from the back. Now I will show you, this is the soft brush roll in front, and we have a bunch of hair and dirt and stuff here. My tip is this: if you have something large, right, go from the back, right? Because that's where your DuoClean brush roll. In other words, instead of a wall of the vacuum, we've got an open space in the soft brush roll.
Well,
So
no, this is a real challenge.
Oh
here.
yeah, I know. I mean, by the way, we'll probably pull back and look at that. But
That's a
larger
wacky
pieces.
floor.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know. We're going to go from the front. Now you see how well that did. Let's pull it back. Okay, let's go backwards. When
So
most
great, everybody.
Of the time. Yeah.
It is not pushing it back.
Yeah, look at
It is
this.
picking it up in reverse.
Done.
That's a big story.
It's
I've seen
huge.
every vac on the market ever created, I think, in the last 30
think you
years.
have, yeah.
And I've never seen a demo
Yeah.
like that picks up in reverse
reverse.
like that. You're
Right.
cutting your cleaning time
Yeah.
in half. It's
Edge
more
cleaning.
effective. It's easier. It's lightweight. There's no cord. And it's not a $600 story.
That's
it's
right.
$299. So big deal here. We got a big savings because it's a $432 retail value. Again, forward and
Large
reverse.
pieces, yeah, so for the larger pieces, let that DuoClean brush roll do the work on the forward stroke, and then the dirt, the hair, the stuff that's deep down in your carpet. One thing I notice about this, Rick, is I've used every vacuum, from Shark particularly.
Right.
When I did my large living room carpet, it was like a corded vacuum. It functioned like that. In other words, there's a lot of dirt. Look at this.
But that's really filled.
And this is getting
No-
deep down clean.
No bags, no belts, no
That's right.
filters, nothing to replace
Yep.
on this.
Yep.
No other filter thing that you got to pay for.
No.
And now you're going to keep going
Here,
with
Rick,
that?
I'll let you. So
Even
look,
with all that in there?
yeah, so we have it on auto mode, right? So all you have to do, this is gonna hold a lot more than that. And as
Okay.
we showed you, you don't have to
Guys.
worry about losing suction.
So guess what?
Yeah.
My producer's
let's see.
flipping out. I'm flipping out.
Look
This
at
is
this.
great. Guys, look at that.
the
That's
backstroke.
live television. This is not on tape. That is in
Yeah.
forward and reverse.
Yeah.
It's really, truly impressive.
Yep.
Look at
now,
that.
do that one. Oh, there's leaves and stuff over there. All kinds of,
Oh, you are really filled. This bin is
Let me
incredibly
move that
filled,
out of
by
your
the way.
way. Yeah, I know. We're putting it to the test, Rick. But
Huh?
I would say we're putting it to the test. But when you're done there, here's the thing. How are you going to clean under your couch? Are you going to get on your hands and knees? Because you can get it under there
It's
with
gone,
us.
baby.
How would you like
Unbelievable.
push one button?
This is great. Oh, I'm going under here?
Yeah, go under the couch. Go under the couch. Let's see what we got. All right, now here's our light detector, Rick. There's a camera under there. The lights will get brighter when the vacuum
No, they don't get
senses that you
brighter.
need more light.
What the heck?
Is that crazy?
So when it's clean, by the way, it's clear. Clear
Exactly.
is the color of clean. So I know that I'm good there. This is
Nicely
one.
done. Thank you,
this
Rick.
is smarter than this host, I'll tell you that.
Yep.
I got it.
Yep.
And now
Now-
I can either store it
You fold it
upright,
down.
I can do that,
Yep.
or I can just flip it down.
And it
there it
stands,
stands.
upright.
It stores.
Yeah.
Touchdown.
Beautiful. Great job, Rick. Great job.
$60 on any major credit card. We're taking calls on this. 300 people are shopping right now. Give us a call if you're a fan. Go for it.
So here is the progression of clean. This is our Shark Rocket. So many of you have this original stick vac. Folks love
I
the
have
design.
that vac.
You have this vac. It's a great vacuum, awesome suction.
Okay.
Here's the problem with this vacuum.
Go
Couple
for it.
things. It has a cord, so many of us want to cut the cord. It has bristles. Now our bristles are clean right now, but you can see this is sort of old school way of doing things.
Sure.
Rick, let's do a side by side. You want to help me out?
So I'm doing this one?
You'll do the rocket.
Okay, I will.
Now you will have to select carpet mode, remember, because yours is old school. So I'm going to just push one button. Mine knows it's on the carpet, so it's
Okay,
calibrating.
ready? 3, 2, 1.
All right, yep, side by side. Great cleanup for both. Now mine ramps up on its own when it scents the hair, and it's letting me know the carpet's clean. All right, let's see what we got. Let's look at those brush rolls side by side.
And the bottom.
Holy smokes.
Boy,
Rick.
that's just not computer animation. That hair, that's one time, by the way.